Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. So firstly, let's disable it. For that, I would need to press and hold this power button and volume up buttons at the same time till you see the power off menu. So here it is, and now I just need to drag this slider right to power off this device. So I'm just gonna drag the slider right like this. And now it is completely turned off, so we need to turn it on again. For that, just press and hold the power button until you see Apple's logo appears on the screen. And now we can release the button and just wait a couple of seconds till it will turn on. Great, and now you can use your iPad again. So if you don't want to use buttons while turning on or turning off, you can just go in the settings. Here, go in the General tab, scroll till the end and you'll see this option to shut down. So let's tap it, and now just again as before, slide to power off and it will just simply power off your iPad. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.